Right team, courses, group coaching, and generic roadmaps, they just won't help your clients win anymore because something is about to replace all of them. Look, most online experts and educators like you, maybe like me, don't have a fucking clue that this is coming. So in this video, I'm going to show you why group coaching is officially dead and what's about to replace it. Now, something truly magical happened yesterday, or at least it felt that way. So we've just wrapped up a 2-day intensive over Zoom for my consulting members in Scale 20. The aim, well, it was to show them under the hood of the AI engine that we've built as a spine of Scale 20 over the past 12 months and show them exactly what they need to do it themselves. 7 hours of live workshopping and demos wrapped up with a 2-hour long mastermind where we had multi-4 and 7-figure educators showcasing the insanely cool shit that they've also built with AI. This was the first time I've run a multi-day and a multi-session event over Zoom, and usually by the end of a multi-day event, the final session is a bit, everyone's pretty mentally drained and flagging by this point. And to be honest, I was worried that the final session might end up being a bit of a momentum killer, a buzz killer. But turns out I had nothing to worry about because the final 2 hours yesterday was hands down the best Zoom call that I've ever been on, let alone run myself, been on. Instead of the energy dipping back down to zero, we somehow managed the impossible. The energy and momentum on that call managed to peak right at the last minute. Everyone fully engaged, laughing, joking, and clearly more than anything else, utterly mind blown by seeing what all of their other crewmates have been building with AI. Now, what's become clear to me after the session was that we are right on the verge of something truly special happening in online education. So I thought it might be interesting for you if I broke down some of my predictions about where things might be heading based on what's going on right now. And quickly, if you're a 6-figure educator looking to scale, I have a free 6-part mini course showing you exactly how I've scaled from 6 to 7 figures in the past 2.5 years. Plus, you get a shitload of other awesome resources. It's all in my free group Scale. If you want to join, the link is down in the description. Okay, prediction number 1. Limitations no longer exist. Actually, this isn't a prediction. This is more of just a fact. Have you ever heard the phrase, if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand? It's one of those big ones in the visualization world. But essentially, if you can think of something in your mind, you can eventually turn that thought into reality. It's the fundamental science of quantum mechanics, the whole manifestation stuff that I love. But over the past 2 months, something has become very clear to me. Up till now, our ability as guides, mentors, coaches, consultants, teachers, we've had to build tools for our clients, students, and members, which have been limited by the tech that we've had available to us if we had an idea. Ultimately, we were limited because we would have had to hire a super expensive software engineer plus a front-end engineer just to build an MVP, a minimum viable product. But over the past 8 to 12 weeks, the evolution of Claude Code has totally wiped out any limitations. Now, if we have an idea, we just have to plug it into Claude Code and we immediately have 24/7 access to a chief technical officer, a product manager, a front-end designer, a UX and UI consultant, my old job, and a back-end engineer. We literally have $1 million in headcount at our fingertips. And all we have to do is speak into Whisperflow for a couple of minutes. And not only do we have a prototype, we have a prototype that is on brand, is connected to what it needs to be connected to, and it works. And it's built in minutes, not months. Absolutely fucking insane. So what this means, okay, it means that we are no longer limited to requiring 1 million to build a software tool. So in a world where limitations no longer exist, we now have a new currency. What is that currency? Ideas are the new currency. I've been saying this for the past couple of months now, but AI has flattened information. It's now completely democratized, available to anyone, anywhere, anytime, at the click of a mouse or a Hey Siri. You can get the answer to anything. So in a world where there are no limitations in technology and anyone can access any information whenever they want, what becomes the valuable commodity? Ideas. Ideas are now the most valuable commodity. We saw it yesterday, the vibes and momentum and energy that we all felt by the end of yesterday's mastermind session. Those vibes, that was the feeling of ideas being the new currency. And I'll happily pat myself on the back here. A year ago, I made the decision to prioritize ideas for the Scale 20 crew. A year ago, I decided that once per month, we would have a session run by our AI specialist, Sam, dedicated to updating the crew on what was happening at the cutting edge of AI, with one intent: so that the crew and I could operate at the bleeding edge of AI. Yesterday, we got a peek under the hood of the new AI-driven DM management system that Patricia and her AI consultant, Juan, have built to automate Patricia's DM management because she wasn't able to keep on top of all the hot and spicy leads that I've helped her create over the past year being in the Scale 20 crew. We then had Nick, who does over 70K per month in his salon coaching business, showing us the insane personalized salon assessment lead magnet and his custom sales CRM that he's built with Manus and Claude Code. We've got Josh. He's my accountant, but he also teaches accounting businesses how to grow their business. He runs 3 businesses, and he showed his custom content management system that saved him 40 grand a year and now automates his content posting across IG, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And then we have Ben, hot off his 88K record month, who showed the insane platform that he's built over the past 4 weeks, stacked with actually valuable agents, client success tracking dashboards, and a super sick geotagging map that he's built to show where his clients are. Now, at the start of the session that I had yesterday, I asked the crew where the word mastermind comes from. Who was some Rockefeller. Here we go. Mastermind comes from Rockefeller. I was wrong, but I wasn't far off. Apparently, it was Napoleon Hill who coined the term mastermind. Back in the 1920s, he described a collaborative group of people cooperating to solve problems or to achieve success. And I think Nick said it best. So what does this mean? Well, quite simply, it means that now more than ever, the rooms that you frequent are your competitive edge. The networks, the communities, the masterminds. So ask yourself, am I in the best room that I can be in? If you're a 6-figure online business educator or expert, you might probably be best off being in our room, Scale 20. So if you'd like our help to also be operating right at the front of the curve of AI and education, drop me a DM on Instagram with the number 77 and I'll send you all of the details. Links down below. So the next question is, if information is dead and ideas are the new currency, what the hell will we be selling as online educators? And the answer, it's hidden in the stock market. Over the past month, we've seen a massacre in the public markets for software and tech software, down 24% and IT down 18% this year so far. And the Ravikant summed it up very nicely. AI has eaten software. This is the next biggest shift happening. The shift from SaaS to SaaS. Okay, so what do I mean by that? So SaaS, as we've traditionally known it, software as a service, is now going to become services as a software. I know it sounds subtle, but it's a profound flip in what is now valuable. SaaS, as we've known it for decades, has been turned on its head by one thing: agents. More importantly, self-propelling agents. Quite literally the word agency. So what does the word agency mean? It is the capacity of an entity, whether it's an individual or a collective, to act, make choices, and exert power, or an organization that provides specific services on behalf of others. Agents that can work 24/7 without you triggering or prompting it. The game has fundamentally been changed. So instead of us saying as educators, hey, look, I have a framework that you can learn to create YouTube videos to get 100,000 views. Now it's, hey, I have a framework for how to create YouTube videos that get 100,000 views. And I've got it packaged in an agentic workflow so you can plug it straight into your AI operating system that has full context on you, your business, your goals, your core beliefs, your unique IP, and your writing style. Here's a script, press record, read it. Your agents are now the services, and your custom platform is the software you host them on. Which leads me to the next monumental shift. We are no longer just educators. We are now computer game designers. Don't take it from me. I just showed you a bunch of examples of educators who are building their own custom platforms, okay? I mean, Taryn, just this week, she got rid of the need to use Skool, bringing everything into her own app. And we've just done the same this week as well. This week in the update to the Scale 20 app, we've now got everything in one place. And this is profound because we can do so much cooler shit than what we could do in school. Each one of our trainings and resources and our playbooks has its own AI implementation coach now, which leads me to the final and most profound shift we are about to see. We are finally about to achieve the dream, the ability to do personalized education at scale. No longer will it just be join a group program, follow a generic roadmap, sit on calls listening to other people's bullshit, maybe get a result, most likely not the one you had hoped for. That is not education. That's guessing and praying. And that's bullshit. But with our new ability to merge data, tech, intellectual property, and AI, we finally have the ability to do something that we've never, ever done in the history of education. Personalized education at scale. Now remember, every one of our clients starts from a different position, has a different set of skills, has a different set of core operating beliefs, have a different set of personal circumstances. They have a unique preference for learning. Some learn best reading, some learn best listening, some, like me, learn best watching. Now, instead of us creating these generic education experiences that cater to the average, every single one of our clients can now have a truly personalized experience that is optimized for them. Now, the cool thing, we already launched that yesterday. Our platform will look at our members' data and literally tell them which part of their business they need to focus on to get help. Our AI, looking at our data, my data, their data, running it through our signature intellectual property and telling us exactly what the fuck I need to do. This, my friends, is why last night, all of us on that call were buzzing our tits off, because we can finally see where this is headed. It's not about money, okay? It's not about money. It's about having a toolkit that truly helps our clients win. Now, if you're curious on what is in that toolkit to help your clients win, I've actually wrapped all of that up into a free 6-hour course. It's right here on my channel. You can watch it here next. Right, that was sick. See you in the next one.